Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So, today we are going to be doing another horse buying video. And as a grand total of one of you commented on my last video, about which one you want to do next, my dad or my bird. The one person commented my bird. So we're gonna do my bird. So if you hear noises in the background, that is just her. Try to ignore it unless I am asking her a question, because she talks a lot and she plays with toys a lot. So it's gonna be a shorter video today. We've got a few little things here to do, I guess. And so now we are going to So now we're going to do this. So the two breeds that I have here are the Welsh Pony and the Norwegian Fjord Horse. Now, I can't exactly ask a bird if she knows any of these breeds, like before we do this, but we're going to see which one she chooses. So, Lightning, shh. Good girl. There we go. All right. Oh my God. She starts right back up again. Okay, so we've got mixing them up here. Okay. Lightning, which one do you want? So if you want the one on the right, do one tweet. If you want the one on the left, do two tweets. Okay, ready? And hold on. Shh. Okay, ready? Okay, she did one. Now she's doing more, but okay. So the first one, the one on the... Ooh, it's a Norwegian Fjord Horse. Alright, so let's go to the Norwegian Fjord Horse. Okay, so here is the Norwegian Fjord Horse. So now we are going to do the name. So we're going to take these away and then bring out the names. So, alright, so the names. There's 3 names. And these probably all sound really weird, but they all end with Y. But anyway, so it's Stony, Shady, and Shadowy. Don't ask. Alright, so now we're going to flip these over and mix them. And again, I can't really ask Lightning which name she exactly wants, because she's not advanced as to speaking English yet. Okay. Lightning. Dearest Lightning Birdie. So, if you want the top one on the left, do 1 tweet. If you want the top one on the right, do 2 tweets. And if you want the one on the bottom, do 3 tweets. So, Lightning, shh. Okay, ready? And that was 2. So, it's gonna be Stony. Yay! Alright, so we've gotta find the name Stony now. So, Stony. So now we are going to get Stony. Alright, so let's get Stony. Alright, send to stable. Alright, so now we've got Stony, courtesy of Lightning here. Also, shout out to Lightning for doing this, though she really had no choice. Alright, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day, guys.